In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple system that you can easily use to record, edit, organize, automate, and publish content daily to social media, making it easy for busy entrepreneurs to attract clients with content. I'm going to show you how to record these videos with your smartphone, edit these videos by yourself using CapCut, or collaborate with your editing team using frame.io. How to organize and automate that content in a content management system using Airtable, and how to post that content manually or using autoposting using a tool called metricool. My name is Sadiq Mugisha. I used to hire and manage large content teams of 30 to 60 people for production companies and TV broadcasters. The stress of having to deal with all those people was always overwhelming for me. I had to find a better way to produce the same volume of content but with a few people. Now I help busy entrepreneurs to simplify their content creation process and help them hire small, efficient content teams of 2 to 3 people. This is a cost-effective way of creating lots of content and also attract clients with this content.
Right then, so I will start recording my script, and I can record it in bits and chunks. I don't have to record like the whole thing. I don't have to memorize the whole thing and record it. If you're a busy Muslim entrepreneur, this is the #1 way to bring blessings into your business. If you're a busy Muslim entrepreneur, this is the #1 way to bring blessings into your business with content.
Okay, so when it comes to editing the videos that you have recorded with open camera, I use CapCut. I use CapCut specifically because I'm able to edit very fast and be able to put the graphics fast and be able to export without any problem. So this is the general interface of CapCut. This is mainly CapCut for Windows. This is like the preview window. This is where you import the videos that you want to edit. And of course, this is also the timeline. So specifically, I have 3 videos that I want to edit. This one right here is the one that I shot with this camera. The other one is this one here, which is a screen recording of the tablet. The video I recorded with the tablet is a vertical video. And I had to, of course, adjust the settings for CapCut. Shot it as a vertical video on the tablet. Vertical videos are usually 9:16, which is this here, kind of like that. Sometimes edit it myself, sometimes I have an editor to do that. Once you're done editing and once you're done fixing the sound. So to put the captions, I use the auto captions in CapCut, which is this one right here, and I am able to do it automatically. When you are done editing the video, you're done with the auto captions and you want to export the final video, and right here is where you will click to bring this window, the resolution here, the bitrate here. If you want to customize it, you can change it right there. The format here, the frame rate. I show 25 frames per second. That's why I need to edit it and export it in 25 frames per second. Where am I exporting it? What's the name of the video? Yeah, all that stuff. So when you are done, you are able to click export and it will export to where you want it to go. With tools like frame.io, Airtable, and metricool, you can automate a lot of repetitive tasks that come with content creation and management. When it comes to collaborating between the content creators and their video editors, frame.io is that tool that works perfectly. You have to sign up first. The free account has all the features you would need. So this is the workspace. You have to set up a workspace because it is in the workspace that you'll be able to import all the videos that you want to share with your editor. So I'm not going to explain in detail what frame.io does. I only have a few features that I would like to highlight. So this is a video that I uploaded in frame.io. If I add the editor on the other end, this is where you actually do that. You can add up to, I think for this free version, you can do that up to like 2 or 3 editors or members. They're called members actually. Once I have uploaded this and they are added to this specific workspace, frame.io is able to give you clear instructions on exactly what to do on each video. It has this feature where I'm able to, for example, this part, if I wanted this out, I can easily, use an arrow and say, take this part out or reduce the light on this, grade this, maybe this part doesn't look great. If I wanted them grade this specific place, from this point to this point, I will, select the point that I want. I put a comment here, I say, grade this part. I'll send that comment and it will pop up on their end. When they open up the video, they're able to see this comment here and they're able to also see the time code where it is. They'll just click on this and it will open up this specific section that I want them to grade. Another feature I enjoy in frame.io is the feature of the video approval. Once I have sent instructions to the remote editor, I will update the status of the video right here to in progress right here, and it will pop up on their end. They make the changes, the necessary changes. Once they're comfortable, they can also update the status to needs review. Once I have looked at the video again and I confirm that this is exactly what I want, I will go ahead and click approve. This will then send the video to my content management system. So this is my content management system, content engine database by Stephen G. Pope. It's in Airtable. Every content that I have recorded, I'm able to organize it here, and then it is through this Airtable system that I'm able to automate the content from Airtable to social media. So again, I'm not going to go in detail on what Airtable can do, but I'll only select a few features that I'm interested in, that are the ones that I use a lot basically. I will talk about this feature, the content inbox. Once the video leaves frame.io, this is where it arrives. And then I'll talk a little bit about publishing manually and talk about autolist, and then eventually talk about content manager's view. Once this status is updated, once you have approved it, it will trigger this automation in Zapier. This automation will go through filter. It will then create a folder in Google Drive. It will upload the video from frame.io to Google Drive, and it will add the file sharing preference in Google Drive, and will ultimately create the record in Airtable. Once the video arrives in Airtable, this is kind of how it looks like. It will have the name, it will assign it a unique ID. This is the URL of the video in Google Drive. So if I am managing this specific brand, so this is the view of the content manager. This is where he's able to see all the videos that are coming in. I will open my view here, click on it, preview it, have a look at it. Once they are done and they would like to send it to the autolist, they will just carry it here and drop it under the autolist. This is where it will trigger another automation. Now this automation is meant to automatically send the video to a social media scheduling platform called Metricool. Another feature in the content management system is this publish manually feature. You are able to download the video manually and post it on social media with your phone or your tablet. We'll go to the content manager's view. It's in the video approved. So the content manager will just drag and drop in manual publish. If you go up here on the publish manually view, you're able to see the video in here. And if I want to download it on my phone or tablet, I will click on it and click right here, and it will start downloading right here. Now, Metricool is that social media scheduling platform. You're able to automatically post videos out to social media. This is where the autolist is. You can choose on here where you want to publish. Do you want to publish this video to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube? It is in this autolist where you will find this video. You can choose to schedule it whatever day of the week. For my case, I schedule every day of the week. All the videos come out at 7 p.m. every day. So there you have it, a simple system you can use to record, edit, organize, automate, and publish content daily to social media without feeling overwhelmed. If you're interested in using this content management system in Airtable, along with the Zapier automations I've set up to connect Airtable to frame.io, Google Drive, and Metricool, I've included a link in the description to guide you to a course where you can easily set this up for yourself. You will also gain access to a supportive community and a WhatsApp group where you can ask me any questions while you implement. Feel free to check it out, and as always, I'm always here to help. I'll see you in the next video.